Oh. Sorry? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Very good. Let's go. It's around 60-65 kilometers away from Bangalore main city. And you can see the view here. So we spent here almost like 20 to 25 minutes, or maximum half an hour we spent. It's 10:15 now, 10:15. So now we are going to climb down. It may take around 1 hour to 1.5 hours to climb down. The hill is very steep and there are no proper steps. So by climbing down only we have to be very careful. So let's begin the journey. ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಇದು ಏನೇನು ಸೆಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದಿವ್ಯರಮ್ಮ ಆಯ್ತಾ कितने ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲನೇ ಇದೆ మొత్తం రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది ఏం పర్లేదు నువ్వు నిలబడదు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకుంటుంది అంత మళ్ళీ ऐसा आए थे ना हम ऊपर अरे बनी 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 Pata. Well done. Let them come. Right. This is how difficult to climb here. Help them. వెళ్ళు 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 జాగ్రత్త హెల్ప్ చేయండి జాగ్రత్త యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ మ్యామ్ కమ్ apply pressure on your legs, you will get grip. If you don't push your leg, then you won't get grip properly. Rani, GoPro. Okay, let's నేను వెళ్తే ముందుకు మళ్ళీ కానీ జాగ్రత్త కూర్చొని దిగాలి వెరీ గుడ్ కమ్ కమ్ It's not climbing down, it's just crawling. Like careful. Super. Good. चलो అక్కడైతే వచ్చింది రాణి ఎక్కడున్నావు Button. Good. Finish? Finish. Camera angle adjust.
ಗಡ್ಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದು.
Than climbing up, climbing down is only risky because your body weight pull you down and you need to resist the gravitational pull. బైక్ చేసింటే చాలా కష్టం కదా. లగేజ్ పెట్టేప్పుడు ఇబ్బంది కదా. ఎక్కడ పెడతాం లగేజ్? కార్లో వచ్చి మంచి పని చేస్తాం కదా. అవునా? నాకు నిన్న వీడియో చూసి కదా, అదే అతను ఇంకొక అతనిది డ్రోన్ షాట్ వీడియో. డౌట్ వచ్చా, పార్కింగ్ చేస్తాము, హెల్మెట్లోని లాక్ చేయొచ్చు, జాకెట్ అని. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు కమ్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్, డోంట్ కమ్ ఆన్ బైక్ because it will be difficult for you to keep your bike and helmet and all those riding gear. That's why we came by car today, because there is no proper parking. It's like, you know, reserved parking or paid parking available. So you have to carry all your luggage if you come by bike, and you have to even carry helmet also, because we saw so many guys who are carrying helmet, wearing riding gear and climbing up. It's not so easy to climb up wearing riding gear. So it's better come by car and climb wearing shorts or light t-shirt. It will be more comfortable for you. It's a good trek for burning more calories. Sunday morning, if you can reach early, you can start the trek around 6:37. That would be good. Rani? So from here it is little risky, but we will scroll down. If we can't climb down, we will scroll down. We will do swimming on the rocks in case if we can't climb down properly. వాళ్ళకి ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలి. జస్ట్ 2 minutes అని చెప్పి ఎక్కువ చెప్పొచ్చు. లేదు అట్లే ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాల్సిందే. చాలా కష్టం అది, ఇదంటే కష్టం అది. మోటివేట్ చేయాలి. అట్లే రోడ్లో పోయేటప్పుడు బైక్లో పోయి జస్ట్ 2 minutes అంటే అయిపోతుంది. Just 2 more minutes. Don't listen to those guys. Just 2 more minutes. You can climb it. Do it. Just 2 more minutes. Very nice aste. No, just 2 more minutes. Go. Just 2 minutes. Go. అట్లే చెప్పాలా? కింద 2 minutes అని చెప్పాలి. కొన్ని అబద్ధాలు చెప్పాలా. You can speak lies to motivate people. జాగ్రత్త కొద్దిగా బాడీ వెయిట్. నీకైతే కొంచెం వెయిట్ ఉంది కానీ కిందకి లాగుతాను కదా. See the view from this place? Suppose it's river Kaveri or one stream of Kaveri. Correct. Side is while climbing down, don't climb straight. You can climb side. Sometimes some for left side and sometimes some for right side. మనకు కూడా అంత అవుతుందా కదా. When we were climbing, we also thought it must be very difficult, but now we are returning, so anybody can do this, but be little careful because there are no proper steps, so you need to be very careful while climbing down. Don't do that exactly. Don't run. If you slip, already you have seen one young man was, I suppose, twisted his ankle, so don't run down. English. From there it is very steep. I'll try to film, but if not then I'll keep the action card inside the backpack, and then after climbing down then I'll shoot, because maybe I have to use all my 4 legs like a 4-legged animal to climb down from that place. And the greatest thrill may come when it is raining and when you are climbing down. I suppose there will be like only water slide. You can't climb down when it is raining here. So be careful before coming to this place. Check the weather. If there is any chance of rain, then don't visit this place, because if you get stuck, you have to stuck for a lot of time on touching top. Once it stops and still the rock should become dry, then only you can climb down. So check the weather and then only come to this place. Two more minutes only. Two more minutes. ఎవరు దిగుతున్నామని చెప్పు. 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗಿ. 2 more minutes ಹೋಗಿ. Only 2 more minutes. We are encouraging other people who are climbing. Let's just 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. It depends. 2 minutes only. ಇದು ವೈರ್ ಉಂಟು ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಹಾಂ ಸರಿರಾ. Just 2 more minutes, guys. Don't lose. Just 2 more minutes. Yeah, from here. It depends. But it is only for 2 more minutes. Don't lose spirit. Footpath. 1 minute missing. We missed that way. Okay, some footpath, I suppose. No, not footpath. This is, I suppose, parapet wall. This is not a road to climb down. This is just a parapet wall, or what do you call, safety wall. So here you can see. Of course, my legs are also shivering now. I'll go down. This is not good to climb down. Oh. ఎక్కడుంది? Don't come close to the bushes and these kind of plants. The snakes are on this hill, so be careful. Vamos lá, hello. I have forgotten the name of this plant. Long back I studied in biology. Xerophyte plant this is xerophyte. Suppose the fruit of this plant is very tasty. How is it? Mullakai. Xerophyte plant. Okay. 2 more minutes only, don't worry. Go, 2 more minutes. Don't listen to her. 2 more minutes. Danny, what are we doing? Jagrata. many routes. You can take which one is comfortable to you. Go that side, that would be better. This is actually parapet wall, this is not a waiting wall. This way you can try. So we have come, and I suppose 50% to climb down. We have to take a small break, it is already 10:40. So after climbing down, we have to go to another place. I'll take you that place also, it must be the most exciting place. We are going to visit a special place and I don't tell you where I'm going, where I will take you, but I'll take you definitely there. Right? Don't mark here, baby. 2 minutes. From here, it is too risky, dangerous. So what I'll do, I'll show you, and then once we climb down to that place, then I'll start shooting because it is difficult to climb down. If you slip, we'll roll down to the end of the hill. So I'll try to shoot as much as possible, and then so my wife is warning me not to shoot, continue shooting. So she's telling me to stop shooting, and so that I can climb down without GoPro and all this. It's very steep, slippery. So here is the spot. Try to shoot as much as possible. If I can't, then I'll turn off the video. Climbing up? Climbing up or climbing down? Okay, just 2 more minutes. Don't worry. I would like definitely only 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Live, but it will take some time. But you need to have the spirit. Almost, it will take, it depends, like 15 to half an hour. But if anybody asks you, just tell them 2 minutes while you are climbing down. Okay, that will raise their spirit. Thank you. I'll try to shoot, but difficult. Ready? I'll continue shooting. I'll shoot. It's slippery, but this is the place one guy broke his ankle while we are climbing up. So let me climb down, let me continue shooting. I'll see now. I'll continue shooting, showing you how difficult it climbs down also. Ready? It's too slippery here. Sorry? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. 12, I have come down. Yeah, without stopping, I climbed down. Running. Very nimshas, 2 more minutes. See, this is the best way to climb down. Don't get adrenaline rush. Don't run from the top. జాగ్రత్త ఇక్కడే ఉండేది. జస్ట్ 2 more minutes. జాగ్రత్త నువ్వు పట్టుకుని ఇద్దరు పడతా. డోంట్ టేక్ సపోర్ట్ ఆఫ్ అదర్స్, డోంట్ హోల్డ్ హ్యాండ్స్. ఇఫ్ దే స్లిప్ యూ విల్ స్లిప్, ఇఫ్ యూ స్లిప్ దే విల్ స్లిప్. ఓకే. సేవ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ క్లైంబింగ్ ది మా ఓపెనింగ్ షాట్ అని చెప్పలేదు. ముందు నేను కాపాడుకో, తర్వాత షూట్ చేయని చెప్పాను. అంటే ఊరికే ఎక్కడం అంటే మనుషులకి నమ్మకం ఉంటుంది కదా. అంటే those people who have belief on God, so they will take inspiration and motivation to reach the bull or Nandi, so that they get blessings. So it's like, somebody, they will pray to God that if the God fulfill their promises, they will definitely reach the place like Tirumala or Tirupati. So maybe this may be the same. So some people, they might have promised to God, they believe. So that is the reason why they must have waking up to reach the place. And this is actually, the factor God is very important. It motivates most of the people to reach their destination because they feel like they have accomplished something after reaching the, climbing all the way through the hill. Apna ready? Ready? Good. Actually, those who are following me from long back, or from long time, those who are following me from long time, you must know me. Those who are following me from long time, you must be knowing I have broken my right ankle 5 years back, and if you are tired, just my right ankle, I can't walk properly. So that is the reason why I am Struggling to climb down. Ready? Ready? Ready?
వెళ్ళచ్చు కాకపోతే కొంచెం కమ్ బాబు ఓకే
You are forced to live in the present. That's one of the advantages. If you do this kind of 50 treks, you are forced to live in the present. Need not to do meditation, need not to do anything. Just do this kind of adventure trekking. You will be forced to remain always in the present. If you slip into your thoughts, it will slip your leg. Now, come on, ಬರೋ ಅವನೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಂದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು It's almost 10:30, 10:53. It is becoming hot. ಅಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೋಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ನಿಮ್ದು? ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ ವಯಸ್ಸು ನಿಮ್ದು? 60. ಗೈಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಹರ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ವಯಸ್ಸು 70. 70 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 70 years old. and she is 60 years old. They have the spirit to climb this hill. And if you give me lame excuses, nobody is going to listen. ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. Rani? Support of the rock. Nice climb though. Come here. Oh, that is better. Mango juice, buttermilk mountain dew ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಇದೆ ದಮ್ಮಿದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ದಮ್ಮಿದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೋಗಿ. ರಾಣಿ ಮಸಾಲ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫ್ರೂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕಿಂತನೇ ಕುಡಿಯೋದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಟರ್ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ almost all we climbed down. From here you can see the temple. It's getting hotter and hotter. It's about to 11. चलो 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 चलो. Never try to climb after 10 o'clock. It becomes too sunny and hotter. So available. My legs are shivering. So it will take, suppose, few more minutes to climb down. Running, legs shivering. That is the starting point. Let's go. Too much pressure coming on my right leg, but I'm using left leg more. Climb down. Last leg of the journey becoming difficult for me. My right leg is not supporting. I brought Volini spray headaches, so I'll spray when I climb down.
అదే చూసి
Rarani. So guys, finally we climbed down successfully. Actually our GoPro battery dead, so we are shooting with mobile cam. So this is the place. You can see early morning 8:30 around we started journey, climbing up and climbed down. The only mistake we did was we just took the wrong route while climbing down, and we came somewhere from this side. This is the wrong route. Don't come from this side. Just go straight and climb down straight. So it's a moderate trek, but an advice: don't begin around 10 o'clock. You should definitely start the trek around 6-7 in between. So that would be good. So now from here we are going to different place. I have reserved that booking around 12 p.m. So it's 11:30. Within half an hour we have to reach that place so that we can enjoy the proper lunch and some special wine over there. So we are going to visit a Wayanad. So let us go there and then I'll continue shooting. So it's not very difficult, it's moderate. So only thing is you have to be careful while going up and while climbing down. It's recording. It's a moderate trek. You see a lot of monkeys. Okay. You can go alone also. You can go in family, but don't start the journey after 9 or 10. It is January month, but still it is hot. It's 11:30 and we are sweat dripping like anything. So wear proper clothes. Don't come with fancy dresses here. It's not the place to use fancy dresses with lot of makeup. It needs a lot of physical stamina and of course willpower. So here we go, the last part of the journey. So we are going to another place. I'll keep it the suspense. I'll take it to that place, then I'll continue shooting from there. Stay with me.